In this live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. I welcome you. This is Suraj Kumar, founder of India English Bolega Abhiyan, as well as writer of Basic to Advanced for Sports PDF book, as well as expert tutor in habit of living. I welcome you in this live session. Sir, introduce yourself.
Am I audible, Suraj? Okay. So thank you for giving me this opportunity that I can connect with you, and definitely we'll discuss further on important topics that will help our co-learners as well. So should we start with our introduction?
Sure. Please. Go ahead. Introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Tell me about yourself,
Let me
something I want to.
Yeah. So thank you. Let me introduce myself, Suraj. My name is Varsha, and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And as a language enthusiast, I started my YouTube channel focused on English conversational videos that we can help people who want to learn English. Yeah, that's little about me.
Oh, great. Whatever you are doing, ma'am, really it is commendable because India English Bolega Abhiyan, there is a one dream to change India. And whatever just you are recording this video, just you will upload in this your YouTube channel. Really, it will help a lot of English learners because in India we don't have the English environment where we can watch English conversation, where we can hear, we can just do the practice with the videos where people they mostly just talk each other in English language. So really I appreciate you for your valuable time and this wonderful opportunity. Just you are here to make a video with me that it will help many English learners. Please tell me, I think Varsaji, who inspired you to learn this language?
Yeah, so if I'll tell you about me, so no one inspired me for learning this language. So it was the incident when I thought for learning English because when I started doing anything for myself, that okay, now this is the right time that I can do something for myself. At that time, I was unable to speak one sentence. So yeah, so at that time, I thought that I have to work on myself, on my skill, then I can think about something else. So I started my journey about learning English, and as I told in my many videos that when I started learning English, and within 6 months I got my first job, and that was the exciting moment for me that I was learning and earning because of this language. So this is a platform, or this is a skill that we can do so many things with this language. So yeah, that was my story. So Suraj, now I have one question that because I'm starting one more work that is as a career guidance counselor. So I'm working on it. So tell me something about you, like how important is career guidance after 12th grade?
Oh, really, ma'am, this question is fantabulous because you know that career is very important in our life because you know that most of the time it happens. The influence of wrong people, the influence of wrong people, we just choose the wrong career in our life, and it happens that if your body, mind, your soul doesn't say that you should do this work, you can't get success in that field. So it is very important that very uh, thoughtful very thoughtfully, just if you choose your career, and suppose if you have one career counselor, then really very easily just you can choose your career and just your life will be fantabulous because ultimate goal of life, that is happiness. Whether you have that much money, big house, big car, that doesn't matter. Matters if you are happy. And when you will get happy, when you have the good career, when you are earning well, and whatever you want to do and you are able to do that, then Then you tell me, ma'am, I think you told me that because of this English language, you got your first job. Then you tell me, I think, what a kind of job you got in your life.
Yeah, it was a online job as a counselor in a tech company where I was studying. And apart from learning English, that was my confidence for speaking. And because at that time I was not able to speak correct English or fluent English, but that was my confidence that okay, I can, because I knew the process of learning English, that how people can change their life. So that was the conviction that in my speaking or when I was counseling the people. So that was the thing. My work was as a counselor in at a company.
Wow, wow. And you tell me that when did you join this counseling work? I think it is great work because you know that if you are telling anyone that the right way, that how can you make your career, that is amazing. And what a kind of counseling just you do in that company, and how many people because of you that got the good career.
Yeah, so earlier I was working as a counselor in a tech company for English learning, but now I hope so in this month I will start as a counselor in as a career counselor. So that was like why I want to do this work, because in village areas people they don't know how to start their career, because they think that okay, after 12th we'll think that what should we do next about our future. So this is very important, that what is your interest, what should you can what you can do with yourself, that in future it will help you more. So this kind of things, that definitely there will be a uh, software, that software will ask you few questions randomly, and you have to take, the students have to take, and there will be the options that 3 4 career, that according to your tick marks, that what you can do in next. So this is the best and according to me amazing thing that we can do with the students, that they can save their time.
Making career decision, I think really it is very big decision, you know that, because career it's mean that we have to carry it all the life. Career means we have to carry it all the life, because this time my just career is teaching, my training the how to talk in English language. So this is my career, and so just I train the people how to talk in English online offline, and so I just pursue my career in this line. So all the day night whenever just I have time, I have to pursue, I have to carry my career. Suppose I don't like how to talk in English language, how to guide the people that how can you talk in this language. So maybe it will be very difficult and frustrating for me if suppose I'm not ready, if I'm our if my inner voice, I think it doesn't say that you shouldn't do this work. Then one day, 2 day, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, just I can do it. But after 5 months, this
Yes.
career it will be burden for me.
Yeah,
It will be
definitely.
burden for me, and after that I will be frustrated. And after that really I will be compelled to do this work, because you know that suppose any career, if you have any goal and just you focus, you pay your 5 years, 10 years, 3 years, after that you have attachment, you have that attachment with that career goal, because your time, money, efforts, everything just you pay for that career. So career decision, I think it is very big decision, and after knowingly, and we should think about the pros and cons of the life, because your career it can change your life 360-degree. So if you have good counselor, and if you know that how to take the decision of career, then really your life will be so amazing and you will feel fantabulous in your life.
Yeah, certainly. So, Suraj, you know why I chose this profession as of now? Because, like in my relatives, there were two girls, got it? And one girl, when she was doing her 12th grade, and that time she was thinking that what should I do next. And then she thought that I should start preparing for the NEET. And she took at least 1 year for preparation. But you know about that, like a NEET, 1 year is not sufficient for you, and you have to give your 100%. And that was the COVID time, and she was not 100% sure about this, that she could clear this exam or not. But after 1 year, she thought, no, I couldn't do this, and then she decided that I will do MSc or BSc, after that MSc. So that was the turning point for her life, because after BSc, after MSc, she has to done like lots of degrees, then PhD, then she will be able to earn. Why we are learning? Why we are enhancing ourselves? Because of earning. And apart from that, there were her younger sister, and she knew about all the things, and she decided in grade 10, like, I will go with the radiologist, because in government seat I will take that seat, because there will be not only 90% above exams there need. So she did like that, and her path is clear, because she knew that what I want to next. And another one, elder one, she doesn't like, at that time she didn't know how to start her career. So this is the way that we can guide students, that how they can start their journey. Because according to me, after it, we have to think about our career, that what subjects we have to pursue, that we can follow our dreams and desires simultaneously.
Really, you are right. You are right. You are right. Because you know that our time is limited. You know that, and every day just God gives us only 24 hours. And after passing a lot of time, we have only repentation, pastava, only repentation we have.
Yeah,
And you know that if we repent, then our parents, even our parents, if you are not successful, even your parents, they don't support you. They just pull your leg, they just insult you, they humiliate you. What the hell is this? Just we have spent all the money and time behind you, and what are you doing this time? Isn't it? Just you spoiled all our money, our time. We just trusted you that you would do something in your career, but you spoiled everything. So taking good career decision, I think it is very great decision. And after knowingly, if we take it, really our life, our career, it will be fantabulous. And if you are successful, really the people, they will respect you, they will give you everything whatever you require in your life. So career decision, it is very big decision. And really I appreciate you, ma'am, that you talked about it, this topic. Really fantabulous. Thank you for your valuable time. And if you have any question, you can ask me, otherwise just we would like to wrap up this session here.
yeah, yeah, Suraj. So thank you for giving me your valuable time and sharing insights with me, because you have also your own business, that you have taken the decision on right time. So definitely it will work for our co-learners as well. Thank you. Thank you, Suraj.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Varsha.